Dear students, in this section, absolute error, relative error and percentage error with example problems. In this section, previous section is also a definition of numerical errors and errors, significant digits, rounding of errors, and also a different types of errors. So, consider the problem. Consider the one of the example problem is find the relative error if 2 by 3 is approximated to 0.667. Now, solution given. True value indicate is capital X is equal to 2 by 3 is approximated to 0.667 and approximate value x dash is equal to 0.667. First find out the absolute error. What is absolute error? The absolute error is the difference between the true value and approximate value is called the absolute error. Now, absolute error indicate EA is equal to modulus of x minus x dash is equal to modulus of 2 by 3 minus 0.667. So, this value find out them using on the depends on the Casio. This is the Casio. Now, 2 by 3 value consisting of 2 by 3 value is consisting of 0.6666 minus 667 and minus of 0.667 is value the minus 3.3333 and into 0 and 10 to the power of minus 4. This minus 4 indications this value is also a consider of modulus 0.00033. Modulus of values is always positive. So, capital EA is equal to 0.00033 and next find the value relative error. ER is equal to modulus of x minus x dash by capital X. So, one of the relative error is the ratio of the absolute error and true value is called the relative error. Was also find out them absolute error modulus of x minus x dash value is none of them 0.00033 divides capital X indication true value is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is none of them 0.6666. This is also a modulus of minus 5 into 00 into 10 to the power of minus 4. This value modulus values is always positive. 10 to the power of minus 4 indication up to 4 zeros 0.0005. This is the relative error. Once consider the problem, what is the true value and what is the approximate values. Approximate values are depends on the true value. So, absolute error EA is equal to formula modulus of x minus x dash and relative error formula ER is equal to modulus of x minus x dash. One of the modulus value consider negative values is always modulus of negative values is always positive values. Hence, the problem is complete. And next example, of the absolute error and relative errors. Second example or second sum. And one of the next example consisting of find the percentage error, find the percentage error, find the percentage error if 625.483. Find the percentage error. Percentage error is consisting of 625.483. 483 is approximate value, is approximate value to 3 significant digits, to 3 significant digits, significant digits. This is also a problem. So find the percentage error. First find percentage error, find them. First absolute error and relative error, and also the last one is percentage error. 625.483 is the true value and approximate value consisting of 3 significant digits. Significant digits is express the number, and the solution is true value capital X is equal to 625.483. This is the true value, is approximated to 3 significant digits. So approximate value consisting of approximate value X dash is equal to 3 significant digits is also a 625.483 is 3 significant digit is 625. Now first find out absolute error. Now first find absolute error. E capital A is equal to formula modulus of x minus x dash is equal to modulus of capital X, none of them, 625.483 minus x dash value approximate is 625. So modulus of 0.483, modulus is always positive, 0.483 is the absolute error. And next consisting of the value relative error. ER is equal to modulus of x minus x dash by modulus of x is equal to modulus of x minus x dash value consisting of 0.483 by modulus of x value 625.483. Now this value solve the Casio. 0.483 divides 625.483. 7.722 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is nothing but 0.00077. This is also a relative error. And last value, percentage error. Percentage error. 100 times of relative error is nothing but 100 into 0.00077 is nothing but 0.077. Three values are find them. Absolute error is modulus of x minus x dash value consisting of 0.483 and relative error ER is equal to modulus of x minus x dash divides x is consisting of 0.00077 and percentage error consisting of 100 times of relative error is nothing but 0.077. Percentage error indication, percentage symbol. EP is nothing but percent error. Percentage error. This is also the complete of the second problem. And the next problem, next example, third example. Using logarithm, next problem, using logarithm of log 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equal to 2 into x plus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5. To determine up to 4 decimals. Decimal mean point out. Next solution, using logarithm of log 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equal to 2 into x plus x cube by 3 plus x power 4 by 5 by 5 to determine log 1.2 up to 4 decimals. Let log 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equal to 2 into x plus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5, and also consider the value, log 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equal to log 1.2. Cancel off the logarithm on both sides. Now 1 plus x by 1 minus x equal to 1.2. 1.2 is nothing but 12 by 10. And cross the multiplication. 10 into 1 plus x is equal to 12 into 1 minus x. Now simplify the x value. 10x plus 10 equal to 12 minus 12x and 22x equal to 2. That implies x value consisting of 1 by 11. So first consider the logarithm values. Log 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equal to log 1.2. Now cancel of the both terms logarithms. 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equal to 1.2. 1.2 is nothing but 12 by 10. Cross multiplication, 10 into 1 plus x is equal to 12 into 1 minus x. None of them. 10x plus 10 equal to 12 minus 12x, 22x. X terms and 22x equal to x. Now simplify the x value consisting of 1 by 11. From 1 implies log 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equal to 2 into x plus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5. And also log 1 plus x by 1 minus x is equal to the logarithm of 1.2. Log 1.2 is equal to simplify the, substitute the values x, 2 into x value consisting of 1 by 11 plus 1 by 11 whole cube by 3 plus 1 by 11 whole to the power of 5 by 5. And log 1.2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 11 plus 1 by 11 whole cube into 3 plus 1 by 11 whole to the power of 5 into 5. First we solve the answers. Eleven cube into 3 is none of them. 11 cube into 3. 3993, and also 11 whole to the power of 5 into 5 is value 805255. 805255. Substitute these values. Log 1.2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 11 plus 1 by 11 cube into 3 is consisting of 3993 plus 1 by 11 whole to the power of 5 into 5 consisting of 8,05,225. 8,05,255. Now simplify the values. 2 into 1 divides 11 is nothing but 0.0909 plus, and 1 by 1 divides 3993 value consisting of 0.00025 plus 1 divides 8,05,250 value consisting of 0.000001. Now adding, enter the terms 0.090 plus 0.00025 plus 0.091151 multiply 2 is nothing but 0.18230. Up to 4 decimals is consisting of log 1.2 is equal to 0.1823. This sum is also a complete. Once again, first consider of the logarithms and x value find. Now x value substituting of equation 1, and also 1 by 11 whole cube is Casio. Use the Casio. 11 power 11 meet 3 into 3 is consisting the 3993, and also 11 power 5 indication 11 to the power 11 cap 5 into 5. This sum is also complete. And next one, and the next example is fourth example is an approximate value of pi is given by an approximate value of pi is given by x is equal to an approximate value of pi is given by x is equal to 3.142852 and 3.14288 571 3.1428571 and its true value of x is equal to 3.1415926. An approximate value of pi is given by x is equal to 3.1428571 and its true value of x is equal to 3.1415926. Find the absolute error. And relative error. So one of the sum is also consists an approximate value of pi. Pi indicates x is equal to 3.1428571 is the true value. An approximate value of pi is x is equal to 3.1415. So approximate value indication x1 and its true value x is equal to 3.1415926. Next solution. Given true value x is equal to 3.1415926 and approximate value x1 or x dash, anything. 3.1428571. First we find out the absolute error. What is absolute error? The difference between the true value and approximate value. Now absolute error E capital A equal to modulus of x minus x dash or x1, modulus of x minus x1 is nothing but modulus of x value consisting of 3.1415926 minus 3.1428571. So this value solve this on depends upon the Casio. Now 3.1415926 minus 3.1428571. This value consisting of minus of 0.12645, minus of 1.2645 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is nothing but minus of 0.00126. Modulus values is always positive, is also a 0.00126. This value an absolute error. Now to find them relative error. Indicate ER is equal to modulus of x minus x1 by small x is nothing but 0.00126 divides true value none of them 3.1415926 divides 3.1415926 is none of them. Modulus of minus 4.025 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is nothing but minus 4 minus 0.00040. Modulus is values always positive. ER is nothing but 0.0004. This is the value of relative error. This sum is also a complete. So if nothing but 3 or 4 problems are to find them absolute error and a relative error, percentage error. So in the first unit are also 3 models are 3 examples of the important absolute error, relative error and percentage error. This sum is also complete.